What's up guys, Ali here from mysocially.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to talk about a couple of recent updates that Instagram did on Instagram stories specifically. There are a couple of new features that I'm super excited about. There's a layout feature, so you can create layouts inside your Instagram stories, and also there is a shout out, so you can tag other people or give them shout out, but this is different than what we were used to be able to do. So that's what we're gonna see inside this video. Before we do that, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notifications of all of my future video content. All right, now let's jump into this video. So I'm gonna go to my stories camera. So that's my stories camera, and you see at the bottom right now it shows normal. I'm gonna go towards right, so boomerang, and the one next is layout. There you go. And do you guys remember this? Yes, there's a separate app, standalone app called Layout, or you can also use a lot of other tools to create these sort of collages for images to really make your content stand out. And guess what? Now you don't need a third-party app. You can just do this in Instagram stories. So that's the big change. They're just making it easier for us to create compelling content, and I love Instagram and Facebook for that. So let's actually do this. So I'm gonna take a couple of selfies. So let's do this. There you go. And then once I'm done, I can add hashtag, stickers, all kinds of other stuff, just like how you would upload stuff to your Instagram or content to your Instagram story. So that was the update number 1. So basically we don't have to use the third-party tools to create these collages or layouts. They are right inside your Instagram stories. Use this, stand out from your competition. All right, the second change, let's go back to these stories, and let's go back to the create at the bottom, or actually the normal. This is what you would normally see. And now we're gonna go one over on the left side called create. And now I'm gonna go on the right side, this heart icon. So this is called the shout outs. So basically imagine you have a friend and their birthday, their wedding anniversary, or something, an event is coming up. So you can give them a shout out using this. And it's different than what we were used to be able to do. So for example, my friend Nolan, his birthday is coming up. So I'm just gonna do Nolan, there you go. And now wait, and this is the magic. So look at this. So Instagram automatically detects some of the content that Nolan and I have created, we've created together. And when I post this is gonna kind of use all of this content from the past. So that's really, really cool. And you know, if you are a brand and let's say you work with different influencers or different partners, you can use this tool to really kind of build a relationship with them, and vice versa. If you're a content creator or maybe an influencer and you work with different partners, maybe different brands, and you can use this feature to really give them shout outs, or I look at this feature as a relationship building tool inside your Instagram stories by really creating content and making other people look good. Alright guys, this was super quick, short video, but I was super excited about these couple of updates on Instagram stories. I hope you like these and do use them. I think these will really make your content stand out and help you really differentiate your Instagram stories from your competition. Thank you so much for watching. Before you go, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I'll see you next time. Bye.